So, hello everyone. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. We're back this year after last year's a bit of a crazy event, great success, and we're really super proud of everyone who joined. We've already crossed over 800 signups globally within 8 to 10 chapters. And then this year we're adding the track of ethics. We're gonna have a nice introduction in every chapter locally, and we're gonna be having a global introduction that I'm gonna be delivering morning CET on Saturday. We just wanted to make this quick video to run you through everything. In case you have any questions, please reach out. But we're gonna just run through the basic logistics now. So we know everybody's already on the Discord server. So if you are already there, um, you can just follow up with me. And if you're not, now it's on the website where you can go to NTX Global Hackathon 2023. And then from here, you can just click on join Discord server, and that's going to take you automatically to your Discord server here. Whenever you land here, please go to welcome and rules first, right? Here you're gonna see literally all what you need. In order, where are the resources, how you can deliver your project, the team sheets, and so on and so forth. Most importantly, join the project. If you guys have a team, stay with us for just 2 minutes. And if you do not have a team, that's gonna be the most important part of the day for you to build a team. Right. Keep in mind you can build a hybrid team, so people who are in one specific location can join and make a team with people who are in a personal, like in-person and virtual location, can just make teams together. People from different in-person locations can make teams together, and vice versa. So the first thing you want to do is to jump to introductions. Introduce yourself. Probably you're gonna see already more than 100 introductions already happening here. Once you introduce yourself here, you can start to talk to people, have a conversation, and go to the second channel, which is the team building channel. Here you can start to brainstorm about some basic ideas you have, some projects you'd like to do, some skills you'd like to explore, and so on and so forth. And once you guys figured out your team, you can come here and say, here's my team. So please keep it simple so the organizing team can be kind of supportive doing the team for you. Here you can just literally go ahead and say team name, as in let's call it Neuro Sample, right? And then we can just tag the team members. So I'm gonna tag my team members, right? And let's call it a team. And then we can just say that's my team. Once you do that, you're gonna see a green tick coming to your team post, which means somebody from the organizing team has already taken care of this. Let me see if I can find it. Okay. So once you see this here, that means somebody from the organizing team has already made a team for you. You're going to see your team over here in Teams 23. So that's going to be your team. And then you're going to find out that there's the organizers, mentors, your team members, and we will just say happy hacking, tag everyone here, and make sure you can hear. On this channel, you can just explore your projects, share whatever you want as a team, and make sure that you can as well reach to mentors. So once you tag any mentors, say, hey, I would need some support on the tech part, right? And then somebody from the mentors is going to jump in and support you on whatever questions you have. If until this stage you don't have a team yet, please go to channel number 4. And then here you're going to find a channel where a lot of other people globally didn't have a team yet. So just say you don't have a team, say what are your expertise, probably your time zone as well. And then the team will make an automatic match and put you in one other team channel. If you're coming with the hackathon with a team, which we already know that most of you, well, not most of you, but a lot of you have, probably 20 to 30% have already figured out their teams. You can just straight away go there and then say your team, get a quick creative name for your team, tag your teammates, and then we'll be doing that. For people who want to check announcements throughout the day, please keep an eye on the announcements channel. here, the organizing team is going to be doing a lot of announcements, what's coming in, new prizes, some speaker announcements, some things during the day, some tricks, and so on and so forth. Probably some hints as well for delivery. And then finally, the resources. Everybody who's new and who would like to know more, this is a list of resources that the organizing team has put together for you to review before this. This is kind of a curated list of resources that touches courses, websites, GitHub repositories, libraries, and a lot of other things, including obviously tutorials and then basic knowledge resources where it gets to even courses that you can guys take a look at. This is made here to get you closer to all the knowledge resources in your technology and then help you probably navigate through the next 2 days, right? Let's go back here. Once you guys are done, you want to go to the delivery form that we have set here. Okay, keep in mind that it's a very simple form. Just put your email, your team name as it shows on Discord, which means team01 near sample, right? Once you have your team name here, select your track and then your location. And if you happen to have a GitHub link that you want to post, please post it here. Otherwise, just disregard this. And then here you'll be able to upload your presentation plus 1-minute video. Keep in mind that we already shared this presentation template. Make sure you delete this slide. But before that, to fill this, go to File, make a copy, entire presentation. That's going to create a new presentation on your drive. Follow these instructions. Follow here the team name, however it is on Discord, your project title, and then NTX Hack 23. Make sure you make a copy of this and you don't edit it, right? Feel free to change any titles here. What's very important to keep in mind is that every team is going to be having 1 to 1.5 minutes to present their project. So keep things very concise and tight. Put the project title here, the project name, and the team ID. So that will be Neuro Sample for us. And that's going to be Team01, right? And then whatever project title you come up with. Remember to delete this slide. Then we have designed the slides in a way that is kind of easy to understand for the jury members and will be kind of methodological. So if you want to follow this, please do. Otherwise, you can feel free to change it and be creative and do whatever you want over here. But most importantly, remember to highlight what is the problem you're solving, what is the solution you're offering, how it actually works, and finally, whatever videos, picture, documentations, GitHub links, and so on and so forth you'd like to share with us. This is a 5-slide presentation deck that every team will have, and then that the jury will be able to evaluate, and then we will be inviting the selected teams to present before the jury grades these things, and then after the keynote, we're gonna announce the results. I think that was everything from my side. Remember that here we have all the in-person locations, so if you happen to be in any of these in-person locations, please feel free to share photos, such as here or Paris, and then whatever news, selfies, photos, funny stuff, even memes would work here, right? Just keep sharing things, and we're going to be sharing things throughout the day. The schedule, you can already find it as well on the website. We have updated the speaker schedule as well. So here you're going to have the speaker schedule with what they're going to be talking about. We're going to have a 1-hour slot for each speaker. This is going to be streaming all over the day. So whatever you're working, you can have this in the background. Please pitch in if you have any questions. We're going to be taking questions from all of you, asking all the speakers. And with that, remember that we have the 4 tracks. So these are guiding tracks wherever you want to situate your project. We're going to have a tech and hardware track where we're going to be working more with the devices and hands-on BCI and other electronic stuff. Data and algorithms, we're going to have a data challenge that's going to be going for the next 2 weeks. So Pierre is going to be talking more about that, and you will have the recording for this. Design, strategy, and creative. If you come from any of these backgrounds, this is the perfect track for you. and finally ethics, which is a new track to the hackathon, and we're very, very keen to explore it with our partners. Remember that we have awesome prizes waiting for you as well. So with that, I think we're all just excited to jump in. Happy hacking, and we wish you all best of luck.